The Supreme Court on Tuesday directed the Punjab government not to interfere with the functioning of a Punjab Kesari printing press that was ordered to be shut by the State Pollution Control Board. A bench comprising Chief Justice Surya Kant and Justices Joy Malia Bakshi and Vipul M. Pancholi made it clear that the publication of a newspaper cannot be hampered by closing one of its presses. The court allowed the press to continue operating and publish its editions. Senior advocate Mukul Rohatgi, appearing for Punjab Kesari, sought urgent relief, stating that the press and a hotel run by the group in Jalandhar and Ludhiana were closed allegedly in retaliation for publishing an unfavorable report against the state government. Representing the Punjab government, Advocate General Maninderjeet Singh Bedi and Additional Advocate General Shahdan Farasat informed the court that the liquor bottles were allegedly found at the printing press and that the hotel had violated pollution control norms. The bench observed that while the hotel is a commercial entity and the law can take its course in the matter, the printing press cannot be shut down. The court directed authorities to allow the newspaper to function and bring out its editions without obstruction. The state also informed the bench that the Punjab Kesari had approached the Punjab and Haryana High Court, which heard the matter and reserved its order but declined interim relief. Rohatgi told the Supreme Court that the closure was primarily triggered by the recovery of 2 liquor bottles and was linked to the newspaper's reporting. The Supreme Court permitted printing press to continue operating while ordering status quo with respect to the hotel.